Foundation of the Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan dynasty after overthrowing the Nanda rulers. It is believed that a Brahmana, Kautilya, was his mentor and guide. Chandragupta overthrew the last Nanda ruler and occupied his capital, Patliputra. He continued to capture territories and gradually moved towards central India. Then Chandragupta captured the area of northwest after Alexander's departure. But soon, Seleucus Nicator, Alexander's general, gained control over most Asiatic provinces of the Macedonian Empire, and in 305 BC, he met Chandragupta in the battlefield. Both signed a treaty and entered into a marriage alliance. Chandragupta made a gift of 500 elephants to the Greek general and obtained the territory across the river Indus. Seleucus sent his ambassador Megasthenes to live in the Mauryan court for many years. Through his might, Chandragupta Maurya established a big empire which included important cities like Taxila and Ujjain, which later became the seats of provincial government under the princes. Both Taxila and Ujjain were important cities as they were located on trade routes. Taxila was the gateway to northwest and central Asia, while Ujjain was on the route from north to south India. Bindusara succeeded Chandragupta in 297 BC. He campaigned in the Deccan, extending Mauryan control in the peninsula as far south as Mysore. He is said to have conquered the land between two seas, presumably the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. By the time of his death in 272 BC, the entire subcontinent had practically come under the Mauryan control. The only area that remained hostile and unconquered was Kalinga, coastal Odisha on the east coast. It was Ashoka the Great, his son, who finally conquered and occupied Kalinga.